Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free rolls on Dice Streams. In order to get free rolls on Dice Streams, here are some tips and tricks you can apply. First of all, open up the Dice Streams app on your mobile device and always make sure to log in daily. By logging in every day, you can receive daily rewards which may include free rolls. Another thing you should look out for is to complete daily quests. Occasionally, Dice Streams offer free roll in exchange for watching short video ads. When available, look for the Watch Ad button and tap on it. You will then be able to watch a video ads, and which might also offer free rolls in exchange for it. If you haven't already, try being a part of a member. Tap on the three human icons at the bottom left corner from the home screen and make sure to join into a team. Being a part of a team often unlocks additional opportunities for free dice rolls and other bonuses. Also make sure to look for offers which will be available at the top right corner, from where you can purchase free rolls or valuable items with a discount. Also make sure to invite friends to play Dice Streams, from where you can earn free rolls for referring new players. After you invite a friend and once they join into the game, you will be able to get free rolls and coins for referring new players to the game. So those were some of the tips and tricks that can help you earn free rolls in Dice Streams. By combining these methods, you can consistently earn free rolls and exchange your gameplay without spending money. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Dice Streams tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.